എന്താടി നോക്കി പേടിപ്പിക്കാൻ നോക്കണേണോ?
അതെ, എന്ത് പേടിയാവുന്നുണ്ടോ?
ഓടിപ്പുല്ലേ.
താൻ പോടോ.
പോടോണോ? ഞാൻ വീട്ടിൽ വന്നിട്ട് ബാക്കി കാണിച്ചാറാട്ടാ.
താൻ എന്ത് കാട്ടാനാ? ഞാനതൊക്കെ കുറെ കണ്ടായന്. പോടാ മോരെ. What happened, sir?
No. It's not Moore, it's my day, Smita.
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir.
That's fine. So, see, basically, it's abuse in Malayalam, okay? Yeah. So, yeah. But the rest of the things, everything was fine, okay? So, you got into the proper mood of the character, the emotions were spot on. But you'll have to work a bit more in getting the slang right, okay?
Sure, sir. I'll work on that.
Yeah. So Smita, so tomorrow we'll go for the next 3 scenes. So this is the scene where you see Mahesh's character, you see the physical body of Mahesh's character and fall in love with him. Okay. So for these scenes, it's more of an emotional kind of scene. So get into the psyche of the character. Okay.
Sure, sir. I'll practice that. Bye, sir.
Sure. Bye.
എടാ കടയിൽ പോയി തൈര് വാങ്ങിച്ചോണ്ട് വാടാ.
എന്താണ് ഞാൻ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യണതാണ്, ഞാൻ ഡയറക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യണതാണ്.
ഡയറക്ടർ സാർ പട്ടിണി കിടക്കണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കടയിൽ പൊക്കോ.
ആ ശരി, ഞാൻ പൊക്കോളാം. പോ അമ്മി. അയ്യോ സോറി. Bit more in getting the slang right, okay?
Myre.
Why are you talking vulgar, Smita?
Vulgaro.
Yeah, vulgar.
I told you about that new Malayalam project I'm working on, right? I learned this from the dialogues. By the way, what does it mean?
It means pubic hair.
Then it is not so vulgar, right?
I mean, it is for some Malayalis, most of the Malayalis. I mean, Malayalam cuss words are made around private parts.
Oh, then I should be careful using it around people.
Yeah, definitely.
Dude, your language is fucking difficult.
Yeah, I know. But once you get the hang of it, it'll just flow like water. So don't worry, you'll get it.
I know for sure I'm gonna take a lot of time to get used to this. By the way, how's your project shaping up?
Still writing. I mean, I think most probably 2 weeks I'll finish. But I don't know what I'm going to do with it because shooting is not very possible now, right? So.
Yeah, don't worry. This pandemic shit will get over soon. You just chill, write the script, and you'll be able to do it.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, where's Rahul?
I don't know.
How can you not know about your own partner?
Actually, we had a breakup. He's far too right, man. So I can't, right wing. I can't be with a person like that.
Oh, same here. Even I can never live with a person like that.
Yeah, I know. But he was hot though.
Okay, Cheta, listen. I need help with the pronunciation of Malayalam dialogues. I can't keep asking the director every time, right? So, can you help me with that?
Yeah, definitely. You just send me the script. I'll record the pronunciations and send it to you. Cool?
Yeah, that's please. Thanks, Machane.
Oh, machane. Okay, machane. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
മഴ വരുന്നുണ്ട് അവറാച്ച, താഴെ നിന്ന് തുണിയെടുക്കണ്ടേ?
Not this fast, da. Send a slow one.
മഴ വരുന്നു.
Not this slow also, da. Send a normal speed one, like which is a little slow.
മഴ വരുന്നുണ്ട് അവറാച്ച, താഴേന്ന് തുണി എടുക്കണ്ടേ?
Yeah, this is perfect. Thank you. Mala varunundo avaraja talenu tuni eduka. Mala varunundo avaraja talenu tuni edukande. Okay, one last time and I'm sending it to Chetan. Mala varunundo avaraja talenu tuni edukande. Cheta, can you tell me if the pronunciation's right?
Oh my god, your Malayalam is so shitty.
I tried.
Yeah, okay. Okay, this actor Matthew McConaughey, he does a thing before takes. We'll do that.
What's this Matthew McConaughey thing?
I mean, it's like a thing he does to loosen up before takes. Okay, I'll show you. Try this. Okay, now try doing this.
Okay.
Yeah, do it with me. Yeah, now try saying it again.
Mala?
Oh my god, that didn't work. Yeah. Try saying it again one more time.
Mala.
You have to touch your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Try saying it like that.
Okay. Mala. Mala.
Yeah, that's it. Exactly. Now you got it.
Got it.
Yeah, now you sound just like a Malayali.
Hey Smita, I'm sorry about what happened yesterday, okay? My mother, she keeps disturbing when we are having practice and stuff. So today I've sent her out for shopping, so no issues, okay?
That's okay, sir. Not a problem.
Okay. So you're ready with the scenes today, right?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay.
Sir, I had a small doubt.
Yeah, tell me Smita.
Sir, isn't Mahesh the hero of the film?
Yeah, obviously yes.
So, sir, there's this dialogue which Mahesh tells to my character. Sari ittal matrame oru pennagullu. Does that mean that only a woman who wears a sari is considered a woman? Am I right?
Yeah, that's the meaning, yes.
Sir, but if the hero of the movie tells statements like such, isn't it like glorifying the wrong statement?
Yeah, Smita, but see, listen, this is the character, okay? And this is how he speaks. And also the audience needs something to clap about, right? So we need to include all these masala dialogues. Only then, like, the masses and the fans will be happy with it. Okay?
So, but this dialogue is very politically wrong, and Mahesh is such a huge star, and he has a big fan base. So, if he uses dialogues like such, his fans will use it in their daily lives.
See, Smita, I don't care for all those things, okay? See, this is my first film, and for it to become a hit, I have to include all these things, okay? We need all these item songs and all these masala dialogues. Only then it will become a hit, okay? So, this is part of the commercial package, okay?
But, sir, isn't it very wrong to be using?
Please, please, Smita. See, I am a director here. You are here to act and just do your job, okay? This is my part and I'll take care of it. You just concentrate on acting, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's start with the scene.
Fine, sir. Don't enter into my creative space on that. The ಕಿತ್ತೌಟ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್.
Hi, Smita.
What happened, sir? You don't look so well. We can have the rehearsals tomorrow if you're not doing well.
No, nothing, Smita. It's just that, like, it's just a cold. I have a bad news, Smita. Like, due to the COVID situation, the producer has like shelved our project. Yeah, I'm sorry, Smita. I'm sorry.
Sir? Sir, please don't worry. Probably we'll be able to find a new producer.
It's just that this was my like dream project. It just breaks my heart.
I understand, sir. This was my debut in lead role as well. Probably after this whole COVID situation, we'll be able to find a new producer.
Yeah. Hopefully, yes.
Sir, I don't know if this is the right situation to ask, but I'm really broke and I was expecting some money from this project. So could you please give me the producer's number, because he should be at least paying us for the hard work that we have put till now.
Yeah, you should. I'll send you his number. Okay. I'm sorry again, Smita. I'm sorry.
It's okay, sir. I understand. This is very common in this field. Anyways, bye, sir. Take care. It was a pleasure working with
Bye,
you.
Smita.
Bye, sir. ಇವಾಗ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಗೇನೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ.
Hello, producer Mahadevan here.
Hi, sir. Smita here.
Yeah, this Smita.
Sir, the actor from Mahesha's movie.
Oh, yeah, I remember. Tell me, Smita.
Sir, I just came to know that the project has been dropped. But sir, I've been practicing for this role from the past few weeks. So can I get some pay at least for the pre-production that we did?
Ayyo, mole. How can I pay you for a movie that is already dropped? You should understand our situation also now.
But sir, I'm broke and I cannot manage my expenses all alone.
Oh, you stay alone, is it?
Yes, sir, I stay independently.
Okay, ma. You can come today and take the payment.
Yes, sir.
Don't call sir and all. Call me Mahadev.
Sure, Mahadev.
I have a room at City Hotel. Can you tonight around 10 p.m. for the payment?
Sir, but that's too late in the night. Can I come tomorrow morning?
Oh no. What time is late for an independent girl? Don't you work till midnight in movies and all? So come today only. I have cash ready too. Plus, I will give you extra for some extra work.
പോടാ മൈരേ.
എന്താ ജിംസിന്റെ അഭിപ്രായം?